Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.4 first section third problem. Prove that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational. Here 6 is a rational and root 2 is irrational. Summation of rational plus irrational we get result is an irrational. But we prove this one as in indirect method proof by using contradiction method. Let us assume 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number, but our assumption here 6 plus root 2 is a rational, that is 6 plus root 2 equals to we choose as fraction, that is a by b, where b is not equals to 0 and a comma b belongs to integers. So root 2 equals to a by b plus 6 transposed to right side we get it as minus 6, that equals to a by b minus 6 can be treated as 6 by 1, that equals to LCM we take it denominator b into 1. Do cross multiplication a of 1, keep minus as usual, and do cross multiplication b of 6, that equals to a into 1 as a minus 6 into b is 6b whole divided by b. Root 2 equals to a minus 6b whole divided by b. This is equation 1. Now since a comma b belongs to integers, so a minus 6b whole divided by b, it is in the form of b by q, is a rational number. Now observe from the equation 1, root 2 is an irrational, okay, and a minus 6b whole divided by b is a rational. We know that irrational number is not equals to rational number, but from equation 1 we get it irrational number equals to rational. This is contradiction to our assumption. Clearly 6 plus root 2 is an irrational, hence proved. I hope to understand this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.